Find the distance between the following pair of points. First one, that is -2, -3 and 3, 2. And the second one is a, b and -a, -b. Now let us solve one by one. -2, -3 and 3, 2. Distance formula, we have distance is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x1 is equal to -2, x2 is equal to 3, y1 is equal to -3 and y2 is equal to 2. Substituting these values in the above formula, we get under root 3 minus of -2 whole square plus 2 minus of -3 whole square, which gives under root 5 whole square plus 5 whole square, which is under root 25 plus 25, which is equal to under root 50. Simplifying this, we get 5 root 2 units. Therefore, distance between the 2 points -2, -3 and 3, 2 is 5 root 2 units. Now let us solve the second one, that is a, b and -a, -b. Using the distance formula, that is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x1 is equal to a, x2 is equal to minus a, y1 is equal to b and y2 is equal to minus b. Substituting the values in the above formula, we get under root minus a whole square plus minus b whole square, which is equal to under root minus 2a whole square plus minus 2b whole square, which is under root 4a square plus 4b square. If we take 4 as a common and remove the square root, it becomes 2 under root a square plus b square units. Therefore, the distance between the points a, b and -a, -b is equal to 2 under root a square plus b square units.